Place rooftop security cameras so they give clear, continuous views of all rooftop HVAC units and solar inverters without blind spots. For rooftop equipment security camera placement outside a home, begin by mapping the roof and adjacent roof lines and note each asset and its field of view requirement. Mount cameras on an adjacent higher roof or on a dedicated pole to achieve an unobstructed downward angle that covers both the equipment bases and nearby access points. Choose wide-angle, high-resolution cameras with at least 4,000 pixels equivalent clarity and a 90-degree or wider field of view so small components and wiring can be inspected remotely. If counting small part details is critical, pair a wide view with a zoom camera focused on the inverter and breaker boxes. Use weather-rated enclosures and position cameras to minimize sun glare by angling them slightly downward toward true north or away from prevailing direct sunlight at peak hours. That reduces washout and preserves detail in midday images. Secure all mounts with tamper-proof hardware and thread locker and place a physical conduit for cabling that prevents easy cutting. Bury or route power and network lines so they are not easily accessible from ladders. Integrate cameras with motion and tamper alerts and set detection zones focused on the equipment perimeter to reduce false alarms from birds or passing clouds, and configure retention and resolution policies so footage is available for maintenance diagnostics and potential theft investigations. 3 common mistakes are placing cameras too low or at the same level as rooftop units, which creates blind spots and allows intruders to remain hidden behind equipment. So instead, use higher adjacent mounting points or poles to create an overhead perspective. Another frequent issue is choosing insufficient resolution or a narrow field of view, which makes it impossible to identify small serial numbers or minor damage. So pick wide-angle, high-resolution models and add a supplemental zoomed camera for critical components. The last problem is poor physical protection and cable routing, leading to easy tampering. Solve this by using tamper-proof fasteners, rigid conduits, locked junction boxes, and by routing power and network lines through secured attic or interior entry points when possible. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and showing project discussions where we share installation tips and placement experiences specific to rooftop camera work. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to homeowners and by hosting an active discussion community where both sides exchange advice and local recommendations.